Let Garmin show you how to use your Diesel Headset 100 or 200 with a Diesel OTR device by connecting both devices to the Diesel app on a compatible Android phone or tablet. Using your Diesel headset with a Diesel OTR device will allow navigation prompts from your Diesel OTR device to blend into the headset audio stream. This will also allow you to use the voice assistant features with your Diesel headset and Diesel OTR device. Ensure your Diesel headset has been paired with the Diesel app. Check out our pairing video for instructions. Pairing your Diesel OTR device with the Diesel app will allow your headset to work with your Diesel OTR device. In this video, we will be using a Diesel OTR 800, but the process is similar with other Diesel OTR models. To begin, open the Diesel app and select Add another device. Then select Garmin Diesel. The Diesel app will begin searching for your Diesel OTR device. Your phone and Diesel OTR device will display a Bluetooth pairing request. Verify the passkeys match before selecting OK on your phone. Then select Yes or Pair on your Diesel OTR device. Next, read the information about your personal data and the privacy policy before selecting Continue. You will now need to create or sign into an existing account using your Garmin account info. For this video, we will create a new account. This is where you will enter your personal information, then select Next. Select Enable Contact Sync if you want to use your voice to call contacts from your phone's address book. Select Allow to give the Diesel app access to your contacts. Select Set Calling Permissions if you want your Diesel OTR device to make phone calls. Select Allow to enable the Diesel app to manage phone calls. Select Call Log Permission if you want your Diesel OTR device to display incoming caller ID information. Select Allow to enable the Diesel app to access your phone call logs. Next, select Display over other apps. Then select Diesel before selecting the back arrow. Select Set Notification Permissions if you want your Diesel OTR device to display music information and controls, as well as smart notifications from your phone. Then select OK. Next, select Diesel. Any item selected will allow notifications to be displayed on your Diesel OTR device. Select Allow to confirm notification permissions before selecting the back arrow. Your Diesel OTR device is now connected to the Diesel app and will work with your Diesel headset. Navigation prompts will be able to interrupt media playing on your headset.
Turn right on West 151st Street.
Garmin voice-activated navigation allows you to use plain spoken requests to search for locations and addresses, start routes with turn-by-turn directions, and more. Press the Garmin button to make a spoken request. For example, take me home. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.